Hey team, Jesse Reynolds here. Want to get this quick message out to you and welcome you to the very first ever WOD Coaches video. We are always looking for ways to improve the quality of training and education and communication that we make available to all the team members out there in the world of AdvoCare, especially for our team with the WOD group. You're the best of the best. You're that 1 or 2% of the team who've declared, I want to build a business with AdvoCare, and you're looking for more. You're looking for more training and coaching. You're looking for access to the top leaders on our team. And this is just the next step that we have prepared for you. You know, a lot of the things we do in terms of education and training and just different ideas that Beth and I get, and your different WOD coaches that we communicate to you guys, we get through our friend and mentor, Bob Fergman. And this is the WOD group was something that was inspired by him. Coming up on about a year ago now, and he gave us access to what it was they were doing, and we got to watch it and observe it. And after a couple of months, we decided to unleash it to our group, and that's you guys. And we've had tremendous success, and we are just breaking records all over the place. So many of you are seeing just growing paychecks and helping more people every single pay period and every single month, which is awesome. Well, the change again that Bob made in his WOD group a couple months ago was they switched from daily WOD phone calls to daily WOD YouTube videos. And they now actually have their own YouTube channel. And so we just have been talking with our coaches, and we're looking to do the same thing, because here's the couple benefits we're having. One, you're actually going to get to see and just build more relationship and understand who your WOD coaches are. Two, which is even better, is you're now not going to have to worry about dialing a phone number and remembering access codes. What we're going to have is just one YouTube channel, which is Purpose WOD, W-O-D. That is the YouTube channel. And of course, we'll have the links posted in the Facebook group for everybody. And you can just subscribe, and every day when a new WOD video is uploaded, it'll actually show up automatically in your subscriptions, or you can just check on there. Now, also, if you happen to miss one, say a WOD was recorded at a certain time and you were unable to get on it that day, or say you really enjoyed the value from one of them, and I know we've got many requests of, hey, was that recorded, was that archived? The answer has always been no. Well, now they have been. So you'll be able to go back and get access to every single WOD coaching video that is ever recorded now on this channel, as long as you're a member and you're subscribed. And so you can have new team members join, and maybe you just hear like a dynamite training from like Rachel Robinson, and you're like, man, I wish everybody on my team heard that. Well, now you can save, subscribe, like, favorite that video, and you can get that in the hands of every one of your distributors. Or maybe you need to go back and listen to it every couple of weeks or every month or so. Again, you're going to have access to doing that. And so this is something we're really excited about. So just today's Monday's WOD is, I just want you guys to comment in the Facebook thread below the link to this video, just to say that you got this message. We're going to keep this up for 1 or 2 days before the first WOD video comes up. We just want to make sure everybody gets the communication on this, and we will get rolling with brand new WOD videos in just another day or two. You guys are champions and have an awesome pay period close. I'm excited for what this is going to do to help each of us take our businesses to the next level.